Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great and their weekend was awesome. I'm going to take and make a sweet heat cornbread. I'm going to use this BSR Cornbread Skillet that I restored today, and we will see how everything turns out. Well guys, as soon as I stopped the video, it just started pouring outside. So we definitely need the rain. Let's get back to cooking. Alright guys, we're going to start off with 2 jalapeños chopped real fine. Take all the seeds and stuff out if you don't want it too hot. I don't want it real hot, so I went ahead and took all the seeds and everything out. So now I'll add the eggs, the milk, and the Jiffy. Alright guys, there she is. I'll take in, the pan should be up to temp now, and we'll get this stuff cooked. Alright, everything's in. I'm going to pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes, and everything should turn out awesome. Hopefully it just pops out, but we shall see. Alright, it is done. I'm going to let it sit here and cool for a little while, and then we'll see how it comes out. Alright guys, I think we've given enough time. Let's try to flip this thing over. Shake it a little bit. A couple came out. There's 3. There's the rest. All of them just came out, stuck a little bit right there. But overall looks pretty good. Worked good. We'll put these on the little plate. You can see the jalapeños. Everything came out great, and wow, that tastes good. Hope everybody has a good week upcoming, a good holiday tomorrow, and I shall see you soon.